review explains our backgrounds. So yeah,
Mm,
I'm an engineer in CIMB Bank, as you know, one of the bank, yeah, from the Malaysia in
mm,
Indonesia. But I working in Jakarta, Indonesia.
mm-hmm,
So I asked to my junior from college, from my university, uh, to build something, yeah, because yeah, you know, the Indonesian riots, the Indonesian have complexity, corruptions, and yeah, the
mm,
the law problems like yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
saw the news. Hope everything is okay for you.
yeah, so yeah, we want to the fairs allow the fairs, yeah,
Mm,
yeah, something like that. So yeah, wait, so we decided to build the court sites. This is the AI powered legal intelligence for inclusive and for the transparent justice systems. Yeah. So this is me. I'm Doni. I'm yeah, the engineers, and this that's video. He is a data science student. It's same as me. My bachelor's in the data science students,
mm-hmm,
and that's Kemas. He's from data science students too, and with Egi, but Egi is not was not attend today, so
mm-hmm,
because he's have a class, yeah.
got it.
So yeah, we we extract the data from the Indonesia sovereign case for this wave, yeah, because yeah, you know, I think this wave, we decided to uh, extract the data from Indonesia first, but maybe for the next wave, we want to extract the data in all these Southeast Asia countries like Singapore's, Malaysia, Thailand, Brunei, and yeah, and the
Mm-hmm,
others.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
Okay. Next, we decide to build the product. The first is the AI-based search engine for Supreme Courts. I think yeah, this is the search engines same as like in Singapore's. Yeah, you know, uh, because yeah, we get inspired from theirs. But we have add some features from the Pear Search. I think yeah, the name,
mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
if you know. Uh, we using this using LM based semantic search, so it can scans the public court decision from multiple countries. Yeah, if we uh text this yeah, like the latest corruption case in Indonesia, it will match some things about the corruption. Yeah, but this is uh yeah, the yeah, like this lah, yeah. But
mm-hmm,
this is only the preview. So the background, so the uh what did they call me, the sequence diagram is with users, and user hits the front end, it will like corruption case in West Java, it will search the query in corruption in West Java, Indonesia. It will hit the back end API,
mm-hmm,
and then it will be go to the backend will go to the embedding service, and it will yeah, go to vector DB. It will back to query vectors, and it will be go to similarity vector top k, and after that it will back to backend again to and it will yeah go to rank optional. Yeah.
mm-hmm,
So this is our diagrams, our sequence. Yeah, maybe the backend, the service. Yeah.
mm.
Like this.
I see. It looks quite mature already. Have you already implemented this?
Uh, it's not 100% are we 100% ready, but it's still going on the developments.
I see. Is there any like challenges that you are facing today?
Yes, the challenges, the hard challenges is about implements the models
Mm-hmm.
because we use in this competition we only use uh the sea lions models, but
Mm-hmm.
in Google it's too expensive if we deploy others models other than Gemini. Yeah,
Mm.
it's expensive. Yeah, so uh we implement sea lions in uh Vertex AI Gather model. We got built for 1 days. It got $100. I think it's too expensive.
Yeah. Are you
Because
sorry,
yeah,
are you given any budget to run some of these things, or you have to actually pay yourself?
no, we have a given budget. It's
Ah, I see.
yeah, 100 100 no no one 10 million 10 million 10,000 10,000
Okay,
not that.
okay. I see. Okay, one way I thought maybe can help if you are doing some experiment before deploying some of this model. There are some like Olama type of like software where you can actually run it locally first, and at least it's free and you are able to actually check whether some of your implementation is actually correct before you use the cloud-based one. But it will be a bit slower, but at least it helps to um, allow you to do it offline in your own machine to check whether is it more accurate or not first before you actually put in the cloud. So that may help in reducing the cost. Yeah,
Okay. We
I,
we already implemented in local, but yeah, maybe one of us in our computers got crashed because yeah, it has a
I
uh
see.
yeah, run off memory lah ya.
Yeah, I can imagine it'll be very expensive because you will return quite a bit of tokens that's actually coming back from the model. So that itself probably will take up quite a bit of money. So right, so when you're running tests, that would be very expensive.
Yeah, it's one of the most challenge yeah in the competition. And yeah, I don't know how to deploy it in clouds, but maybe we have a question for you, yeah, Seux.
Mm.
Uh uh Wait, video, can you uh yeah, video
Mm-hmm.
please
Yes.
ask submit because yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Uh, okay. I want to ask something like we try to deploy our C Lion model in to a compute engine because the Vertex is very pricey. Uh, but
Mm-hmm.
but the challenge is we don't know what the minimum spec, minimum requirement for run the Sea Lion 8 billion at the uh, three version. Can you explain to us what is the minimum spec or minimum requirement to run the Sea Lion on the compute engine?
Ah, I thought usually they will put up that specifications in the system card or model card that they actually pull up. I mean, there isn't any of such specification that is being given to you guys before you all deploy it?
No, we have not
Oh
received it.
no. Okay. Okay. How about so because on top of my mind, I cannot remember at this moment. But what I can do is that I can go and check. I can go and check and then I can get back to you guys. I think that will be better. I don't want to give you all wrong information. 'Cause I cannot remember right now on my fingertip.
Okay, okay.
Is
So
that
yeah.
possible? I can send some stuff back to you guys after I do a check. I think that would be more useful.
Okay. Thanks.
How do I contact you guys actually?
Sorry. How do?
Like, is there any email or anything that I can send you guys this information?
Okay, okay. You can send the email to maybe video. Video can you write your email? Okay.
I will write in
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
chat box.
The chat.
Yeah, then let me get back to you guys. So it's 8BC Lion, right? On Vertex AI. And Compute
Yeah.
Machine, sorry, Compute. Okay, let me go and double check. Okay, got it.
Okay. So yeah, this is the sequence diagram from the AI based search engines, and in this wave we develop these chatbots too. Yeah. Yes, something like this. The sequence, the flow. It will use the agentic AI using the RAG agents. Yeah. Yeah, but the challenge is the latency, as you know lah, because the RAG agent is used Tau for the thinking. Maybe not the thinking. I don't know. For the what's that means? Yeah, yeah, for the thoughts and the reasons
Chain of
to.
thought, is it?
Ah,
Like they do some chain of thought, then it's very slow because they are doing some thinking process behind. So the whole latency actually takes like maybe 10 seconds for you to actually get the results.
yes. Something's like that's yeah. So it means.
Okay. For your case, if you are working on search engine, I'm actually not perhaps you may not actually need a thinking model. You may want to look for models that are non-thinking models so that it can actually help to reduce the latency. Because for search kind of products, right, typically the speed itself for the user is actually quite important.
No, this is not for the search engines. This is the second products about the
Oh, this is the
chat.
second product. Oh, wait,
This
you
is
got
the
two products. So there's a AI search engine, but there's another one that is a chatbot for
yes,
the user. Okay,
yeah,
okay, I see.
that's true.
Okay, okay. But even for the chatbot, you may not really need that thinking process, depending on what are you expecting the user to actually ask.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. We
Yeah.
will try to not using the thinking models.
Yeah, so this is like a question and answer kind of chatbot, right? So the user will ask some questions related to law, and then your chatbot will reply based on that particular question.
Yeah, yeah. Something like that. Like users, if users have the issues with the laws, or he gets yeah, the justice, something like that. He asks about the AI chatbots, and he gets like similar documents from the chatbots, like the same case, like yeah, from the previous case in Supreme Court.
I see. Okay. Then maybe take okay, because you are trying to use agent to do this, right? Okay, so based on some of our own experience, we actually didn't use agent for chatbot purely because the latency is really very high. So what we
Oh,
did is that we use normal model, not in a agentic manner, just normal model with RAG. And what we did is that we make sure the retrieval strategy, which is the one that actually retrieve the data from the database, the RAG database, is the best one and the good one. And it can typically actually hit a very high accuracy.
okay, okay.
Yeah, you can try using that combination instead, because our experience so far when we tried some of these things, if you have a very good retrieval strategy, you can reach a very good accuracy.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
And it's
Mm,
Thanks.
faster.
sorry, I will have to cut you guys off because actually they booked the time of another mentor and another team is waiting for your time also.
Aiyo.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
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 Yeah.
Okay. So I'll move our courtside team into another room, and then I'll move in the team that's been waiting for you into this room.
Can,
Yeah.
no problem. Hey,
Okay.
Alright.
thanks, guys. I'll email you guys the stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
All
you.
right. Thank
Sharing
you.
the advice. Hi, Mr. Mansi.
Hello, how do I address you?
So yeah, we are from the core sites. Yeah, I'm with my friends, my colleagues. His name Video. Wait, sorry for the late here. Uh, yeah. Uh, we are develops the we sorry. Uh, we're from the correct sites. We create
Hmm.
the powers legal intelligence for the inclusive transparency justice across the
Hmm.
Southeast Asians. Yeah. Uh, so yeah. So what's the ours backgrounds to create this? As you know, in Indonesia, there is unfair justice. As you know, yeah. Like uh or once months lately we have something's problems with our
Hmm.
laws and we believe laws and supreme case it should be inclusive and transparent for everyone's yeah because the background is unfair laws yeah so this is not just the AI power platforms uh it will help people in the Southeast Asia, especially in Indonesia. So yeah, so in the first wave, we extract data from the on Indonesia, but the next wave we will extract the data from the other countries like Malaysia, Singapore, and Thailand and etc. But in the first wave, we only extract the data from the Indonesia.
Hmm.
Yeah. So this is the first hours product is AI burst search engine from the Supreme Chaos Court. So yeah, if it's like the search engine from the Singapore's we got inspired from theirs that's names it's pair search but we added some yeah maybe some filters to get better search engines yeah and the next is the chatbots this is chatbot from the supreme court like yeah if the users ask uh something about his case or his case it will return some things but it's only yeah it just preview it's not ready to production like
Hmm.
50% in the development yeah correct me if I'm
Hmm.
wrong video the next things but it's not in the this wave is the AI not taking for the lawyers so yeah as we know maybe during in the clients or witness meetings uh yeah the lawyers has yeah another's he needs helps to take the notes yeah so the lawyers can be focusing on asking about the questions yeah it will transcribe uh the conversation between the lawyers and the clients. But it's not in this competition. But I think we will make sure if the budgets it makes sense for us. Yeah. Maybe yeah. From these challenges we got 10,000 uh dollars, 10,000 US dollars. I think it's enough to already get uh these three things products to productions. But this is ours. I will show you. This is ours. The sequence diagrams for the AI based search engines. So yeah, the users input the query. It will hit the backend API, and then so it will go to the Ray ranker for the optimize the search engines, and it will go to validate array geostructure, and yeah, some things like this. But maybe video have a question for you, Mansi. A video, can
Hmm.
you open the mics? Yeah, because video he is once of the develops. Okay.
Yes. Understand. So we already know that the Vertex AI is just like a pricey hosting
Hmm.
for the model, and we try to
Hmm.
deploy our model in the compute engine, in the Google Cloud Compute Engine. But we don't know the minimum spec to run the Sea Lion 8 billion parameter at the version of 3.5 version. Do you have any idea, or do you have any information about the minimum spec compute engine that we can deploy our model, Mansi?
So the Sea Lion that you're using is how many parameters?
8 billion parameter. The version is uh, 3.5 in the Hugging Face.
Version 3.5 by Hugging Face, 8 billion parameters. Is it a Llama model? Is it by Facebook Llama?
Yes, it's Llama model.
Okay, so as of now, how are you hosting the model as of now so far? Like, what is the spec that you've been using so far and you face challenge with?
Okay, we already host uh, using NVIDIA L4, I think, in the Vertex, but yeah, the cost was rising so high, and it just like in 4 days we got 1,000, I think, 100, sorry, 100, and we try to host in the compute engine. We use N1 standard machine. It is like a low
Hmm. Hmm.
machine
Hmm.
at the Singapore region. I tried to access the server and try to run the model, but it's always like I don't know, memory kill like that. We can run the model like that at the N1 standard machine, I think.
So yeah, for this version and 12 billion parameters, the recommendation would be a RAM of 16 GB mostly, if I'm not wrong. Like you would need a NVIDIA 12 GB RAM and a system RAM of 16 GB for it to run. I think the model might need around 100 GB of disk storage also.
Mm. So the machine was the modern machine, like we can just minimize the cost and something.
So have you tried hosting the model by downloading it from Olama in your local system?
Yes, I already run the cost on my
But then it crashed your memory.
Yes, it's just like a takes 5 15 10 until 20 minutes and just crash like that. So we try to host the model in the cloud.
Okay. So how about running it with batch sizes, or are you okay with the latency in the inference side? What are you using the model to do exactly? Are you using the model to perform the RAG,
Yes,
the rack tuning?
exactly. We use the model for RAG and
You're using the model, the rack tuning, and for inference as well.
yes. Doni, can you explain the RAG? Mhm.
Sorry, what's is the
Okay.
question?
So you're using the model to do the rack tuning, and you're using the same model for inference as well.
Yes. So we use the models for the embedding service, and then we use this for the RAG, for the RAG and the Agentix AI and the RAG agents. I think. I mean,
Okay. I think if cost and compute is a limitation, then how about considering some other model?
yes. But I think
Hmm.
in challenge, one of the scorings, if we using the C Lions model.
We have to use a C line model. Okay. Then yeah, I would just recommend to in case you already have credits, right? Then I would just recommend to bump up the storage and the RAM. You can let it run. It's okay. But do take caution of maybe you can batch size your inference, or in terms of inference, maybe you can perform it on the CPU side or with a lower GPU instance. But for rack tuning, it's okay.
Oh, okay. Okay. We will try to implement this. Yeah. Uh, but
Mhm.
yeah, the
So
existing we
can
using
I? Hmm, hmm.
the existing we using the using the model garden from the GIS, but it's too expensive. Since in 1 days we spent $100 in 1 days to only for the models, uh, only for the models. Yeah, so that's why video ask to you how to implement try to others uh yeah ways, maybe not using model gatherers or try to using the compute engines. Yeah, so yeah, that's why he asked about the minimum specs about in the uh implements C Lions on the
Mhm.
implement.
Okay. So I am not an expert in this. Maybe you can ask other mentors as well. But I can have a look and get in touch with you guys with Discord, or I can request the team with a response to be sent to you guys on this. But from what I understand, either hosting it locally, or maybe you can choose a C line model which is less parameters, not 8 billion, because this 3.1 version would require definitely like around 12 to 16 GB RAM and 100 GB of system storage.
Okay, thanks,
Hmm,
Mincy.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
Okay.
Okay, moving on. Can I see a demo of your product?
Maybe video. So can Mency see the demo? It's already, but or not video.
The demo is just like a very raw prototype, but we not already implement the Retrieval. But maybe you can visit the
Okay. Yeah. So our biggest biggest maybe biggest problems is implement the models, Mensi. So yeah,
Implementing the model.
we cannot try to do retrievals and something with RAG. But I think the first we will try to using Gemini first. So that's its base case. After this, maybe I don't know. Is this have another meeting for the uh technical mentor or not?
Yes, I have received a calendar invite for 9th of September also.
Okay, okay. So yeah, we will present
Yes.
this in the second technical mentor. But if you want to get access first, maybe video can give Mensi the links video in the chat box.
Yes, I have already.
So this is a product which is already live and available for customers to use, or this is your hackathon product only?
Uh, I hope it will be not only the hackathons, it will to the to the citizens. Mensi.
Okay, so but you have developed it during the hackathon, right?
Yeah, is
Or
it?
it is a okay, okay. Okay. So, for the rack tuning for the knowledge database, you happen to mention that first you'll be focusing on Indonesia. Uh, how do you think is the relevance for, let's say, some lawyer in Indonesia getting recommendations f- from other countries? Because the law in the countries is different. So the case and rulings would be based on the law in that country.
Yeah, so that's the challenge too, yeah. But I think if we maybe it in the next wave, if we successful, we will ask to maybe the volunteers experts from the another country, yeah, to help us about the subject matters in other countries. In the I mean the laws, the law systems in another country, like maybe like in the Malaysia or the Singapore's, yeah. So we ask the citizens to be our part. But maybe for the first times it's like uh volunteers, because we have not the budgets and we have not the support. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. I see. I see. Yes. So just uh, while you guys are developing your product, just please make sure that uh, whatever case is presented or recommended is relevant. The outputs are relevant because if the relevancy is lost, then there is no point of the product. So during the demo or during the testing of the product, do make sure that the persona, that is the user that is asking the questions, should be relevant. Another thing is, I think you can package the entire website as one single product. That is just a recommendation. How I feel that this could be impactful is that first, a lawyer is going for a client meeting. They will record and transcribe the meeting. And on the basis of that, they will get recommendations of the past cases, which will become their readings for research. And then they can continue. These researches will become their own user account placards, right? Or that is to say, their search history. And the search history you can maintain on your backend systems. Each time they log in and come back, this should be accessible to them and they can keep building on it. So you can keep context for a longer time because there is a lot of context that is required in the field of law already. And then you can go into your next product, which is recommending the cases that have happened in the past or that are relevant. And then you can go into the next phase of your product, which is to say, this is how they can solve their current case or approach their current case. So if you approach it in your demo or in your pitch that we are building a product for the lawyer or the firms to be used, then they would want to understand how. Since I do not have a demo yet, I cannot see it, but that's how I think it'll be impactful for you to demo.
Okay, okay. Thanks, Mansi, for the advice. We will try to to
Hmm.
implement your advice. Okay.
Okay, I think I have another team
Yeah.
waiting for me.
Okay. Thanks, Mansi, for the time, for the advice. Yeah. Uh.
Thank you so much. All the best.
Okay. So, guys.
Thank you, Mansi.
Thank you, Video. All the best.
Yes. Yeah, can you please redirect me to Mr. Ray? Mr. Ray is actually, oh yeah, still with your team, right? Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you. To Muhammad Doni, can I trouble you to also indicate your team name on in your name?
Okay. Sorry. I'm from the court side. Can you join us with what's his name? Saloni. I'm with a video and Kemas. Please let us join to Mr. Saloni meetings.
Okay, sorry, to just let you know that Mr. Saloni has actually not yet joined the call. So once he has joined, we will inform you.
Okay.
Yeah, we might need to wait for a bit. Okay, courtside, I'll allocate you into Saloni's room in around 1 minute.
Okay. Hi, Saloni. So we are from the code sites.
Code side, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I don't know how to yeah. Please ask. Wait. Sorry. Desktop one. Not. Dia nggak bisa. It's okay. Wait. Okay. So this is the core site. So this is the ours idea. The we create we develops the power intelligence for the Southeast Asian citizens. So as we know, yeah, the law is the complexities and the core problems in the citizens. So and as you know, the law is not fairness in Indonesia. So we have to decide to create the law AI based for the law, and we believe the laws and the law cases shall be inclusive and transparent from the extra ones. Okay, so we have the three products, but in this wave, or I think in these hackathons, we decided to get the productions. These only two things, which is this is the AI assistants or the chatbots, and the second is AI birds based search engine from the Supreme Court. So yeah, so for this wave, we only extract data from the Indonesia Supreme case. But the next things it's we will extract the data or scrape the data from the Singapore Supreme cases. Yeah, but
This
in
is
this
public information.
yes, this is the public informations that everyone can the access these links.
Oh, and you do web scraping or like how do you do it?
Yes, we did the web scrapings
Okay.
using this Scrapy, and we extract it using the schedulers with Airflow.
Airflow.
Yeah,
Okay.
the automated scrape.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
this is the first product is the AI based AI search. Like yeah, you know, you type in like type in the Google or search engines yeah about the cases like case like about the corrections. But this is the preview. It's not our product is not ready to prediction. I think we got 50%. Yeah. Saloni. Sorry. So yeah. Uh, we got inspired from the Singapore systems. That's name is pair search. But we have maybe add some features for these search engines. So add some filters for this search engine. The second is about the AI system or the chatbots. So we using the break agent for this, yeah. And yeah, is user asks about the problems, it will return the value. But yeah.
Basically, you're asking questions about the Supreme Court and all of the data inside that was already scraped. Or does it do real time?
Not the real time. We extract it from the subbreakouts to the vector DB, but it's not the real time the real time real time extract data.
Okay, so but periodically you like maybe daily or something you'll be scraping it. Is it?
Okay. Maybe Virdio or Kemas can answer the question from the Saloni.
Okay.
Yes, we scraping it at daily.
Daily. Okay.
With Airflow or something and post in Google Cloud. And then not only scraping, but the document make the embedding and store in DB, and AI agent or chatbot will retrieve from the VectorDB.
Okay. Nice. Okay.
Okay. So yeah, this is yeah, our sequence diagrams. Yeah, this is our workflow. Like yeah, something like this. We are using embedding service. We got the VectorDB. We using the Supabase, and we store it using doc stores, and it we will re-rank the questions. We will re-rank the documents based on the query, the like similarity, but it's using the re-ranking. And yeah, for this AI based search engine, we're using the RAG schemas. But in the seconds it with but in the AI system we using the RAG agents. Yeah, the search engines and the chatbots it's same, but it have a difference only with the models. Yeah, one is using the RAG and the others using the agentics. Okay, so the third is we create the AI Force assistant for layers not sticking, but in this hackathon we decided not present it because yeah, you know, the time issue. Yeah, we only have I think of for developers. I'm with Fridio, Kemas, and AG. We only have uh for developers. So yeah, yeah, it's too many tasks to handle. Yeah, yeah. So we decided not to present this. Okay, so maybe we have some problems with this. Maybe Virdio and Kemas can ask the Saloni the problem.
Okay, I want to talk about RAG. I basically very beginner at the RAG. We process about 40 pages. So the one cases, the one case is have 40 pages description of the case, and many
Yeah.
context will be extract. Uh, what is the most suitable method for document chunking if we have many pages and many context will be extract? Saloni, do you have any idea?
No, unfortunately, this is not my expertise. Also, I haven't tried this out by myself, so I won't be able to help you. Uh, did you try asking? Um, I think I saw. Did you guys also have other mentors?
Actually, they have a time right now with another mentor, so I'm checking if it's okay to wrap up the conversation so that I can move them into another mentor's room. Yeah.
Okay. Did I mean, did the team have any questions regarding anything else?
Nope. Because yeah, I think it's like a problem, so we talk to the members later. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Then yeah, Xiaomin, we can move them because yeah, I'm not able to answer their RAG related question.
Okay, no worries. Hopefully the other mentor will be able to help them with this. Yeah. Okay, so
All
move
the
you.
best, guys. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Let me see.
Hello. Hello.
Hey. Hello.
Uh,
Oh.
Hello, Mr. Lionel and Theo. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you're from the Cossacks. We create we develop the law product the AI based for the law. So yeah,
Mm.
for our backgrounds, as you know, maybe in the words, especially is in our country, Indonesia, the law is not fair, nurse. So yeah, like uh, one of the person got sentenced guilty 5 years to but the others persons using the got the sentence guilty for the 2 years. I think it's not fair for us, and that's causes uh the riots in Indonesia if you see in the news. So yeah, that's things we decided to create AI based system uh, to citizens. So we believe the law and sovereign case should be inclusive and transparent to everyone's. We got the three products. The first is chatbots using the RAG agents, and the second is AI-based search engines. We got this. We got inspired this from the Singapore. Its name is Pair Search, but we edit some features. And then the the last product is the AI not taking for the like lawyers, but this is like the STT, as you know, speech to text. But in this hackathon, we decided not deliver this. Yeah, we only have 4 developer. So we decided not develop this. So we extract the data from the Indonesia Supreme Court from this wave. But the next time we will extract the data from the other country like the Singapore, Thailand, or some other country in this Southeast Asia. So this is the public open API. So we can extract the data and we deliver it automatic using the Airflow to for the daily scheduler. Okay. Yeah. So this is the first product. So user asks about some things and it will go to the results, but it's only the preview. We have not ready to productions because it's got 50 percent. Yeah, correct me, Virdio or Kemas. So yeah, like this. Uh, Next is the second product, AI assistant or chatbot. So maybe user ask something about his problems, and maybe the our chatbot we will got already some information, the same cases like what he's doing, yeah, on the Supreme Court, and it will be like what the I don't know the laws, and he got like get advice about the law, and then the seconds maybe about the corruption cases in Indonesia, as yeah, some things like this. And then maybe Virgil, can you continue?
Okay, I will continue. We process about like 1,000 or 2,000 cases in we call it in Indonesia we call it Mahkamah Agung or Supreme Court, and one case actually have a document like 1 until 40 pages. So still we don't know or we don't have any idea uh, what the most suitable method for document chunking if we have many pages like this. Do you have any suggest or idea? Talk about RAG. We create a RAG system.
Don't have this info.
Wait, so the question is there are too many files, and so then you guys need to digest it, or is it you want to break down a single file to many types to chunking the one particular case, or is it like now there are too many files?
Yeah, many files we are ingest. It's like 1,000 case. At the one case have a 1 until 40 pages. So,
Yes. Okay, so the problem is twofold, two problems, right? One is there are many documents to ingest, and then second one is within a document is actually quite long, like 40 pages. I know.
I think they need to look for Seokmin, the mentor. Then the mentor will be able to help you lah. Because I think our forte is not in these areas, so I think we don't want to give the wrong suggestion lah. I think there's another mentor called Seokmin. I think you look for that mentor to ask this question. She's more into this area of research lah.
But currently, how do you all do it?
Sorry?
Or is it right now just slides only? Right now, is it just slides only, or have you all tried doing something?
okay. So we use LangChain, LangGraph, or LangGraph, and
Okay.
line model to perform document retrieval chunking
Yeah.
for 1 until 5 pages only. But the problem is the chunking was too small and the context is awful because the pages have many contexts. You know the Supreme case
Yes.
is about many things to talk. So because I don't know before about RAG, and this is my first time hackathon using AI and RAG system.
Yeah.
So yeah, we LangChain for document retrieval. But the problem is the context was so low, so the AI didn't have power to retrieve the correct sentence.
Yes, correct. So it is a trade-off. Yeah, it's a trade-off. Even though you break up, so you can increase the amount of chunks, but each chunk is smaller, right? You get some accuracy in recall, but your final result might be different because you don't have the full context of the statement. This is something that we did before as well. So how we overcome it was we experiment with the chunk. Have you ever tried experimenting with the different chunks, right? And then measure the trade-offs.
We try different chunk.
Okay.
Basic chunk. Yeah, but the accuracy was so low too. Yeah, because as we learn, the basic retrieval, the tongue have a lower threshold. So we try to a new strategy.
Sorry, you broke up a bit. You say again, you broke up a bit. Yeah. You say the statement again.
Yeah. So we try to move to new strategy. That's called document pattern retrieval. I think, but yeah, the threshold was so low too, and we stuck. Know what to try because many pages. Yeah, try to.
Sorry, the Wi-Fi is so bad. I barely got your last sentence, bro. You try again. Sorry, try again. So you said you adjusted the chance, but then even after increasing it, the accuracy is still low.
Yeah. That's true. Yeah. Yeah, because well, we try to tongue, but the tongue that we so wrong. Like
Okay, got it. So for this chunking piece, right? Accuracy is a function of a few things, right? So what we did was not just optimize on chunk, you also optimize of your semantic search. So how are you searching today?
okay, the searching function is just use a basic similarity search in lang.
Semantic search lah.
Yeah, similarity search. Do you have
Okay.
any recommendation about the search function?
Oh yeah, so we found out that we cannot just use semantic similarity. You actually need to use a hybrid search.
Okay, so we can use the hybrid search method instead. Just
Yes, use hybrid search better. Yeah.
okay, got it. Thank you.
Yes. Because you see, in the legal text, right, there's a lot of semantic similarity, but the semantic similarity doesn't mean they're the same thing, right? So, for example, I give a statement that under all reasonable endeavors, yada yada yada, right? But then in another statement say under reasonable endeavors XYZ. The missing all creates an entirely different understanding of the law, right? But actually it's very semantically similar. Right? So what we found out was that we couldn't use a very simple search function. We had to improve that as well. Yeah. So I'm not sure in terms of search optimization that there's some that you can explore the area as well in terms of hybrid search. Yeah.
What
Yeah.
about embedding model? Do you have any suggestion about the embedding
Wow.
model?
This one is beyond me, bro. This one, I don't know. But we did a very similar project with this. But I don't know what embedding model. Do you know context model? Okay,
No,
yeah.
is that-
Sorry, we don't have. I don't have context for embedding model. Yeah. Yeah. Well, but this you all choose a very very hard problem to solve. Yeah. Actually, it's very difficult. I don't think it's easy, man. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So just a question. I think just now there were three features, right? So which of the three features did you all try to develop already?
So until now, we tried to build knowledge base first. Knowledge base.
Yeah.
Oh,
We tried to crawling and scraping the data. We already scraped 1,000 cases in Supreme Court.
mm,
So the struggle that was the chunking problem and the embedding problem. So
yes.
yeah, the feature has just like a raw feature, but until now we try to create a knowledge base and host in the Google Cloud. So yeah, the problem, the next problem is the Vertex AI for host the C Lion model was surprisingly very pricey. Yeah. We got 100 bills, $100 bills until now. Do you have
Mm.
any experience
Okay.
about hosting model using a compute engine instead of Vertex AI?
Oh, no. Currently right now we using directly from Vertex AI lah. So far the one that I tried so far was Vertex AI. Didn't try anything on the compute side. Yeah, but I think if it's just purely for testing, maybe you can choose slightly different models first. It can still be Sea Lion, but you may be able to try their version 3 or what, or 3.5. You can host it on a slightly weaker instance lah. I think no need to go to the highest like 800. Yeah, because those 800s are really expensive.
Got it, got it.
Yeah. So I think you need to probably the credits might need to balance a little lah. Maybe just to validate whether the results are like how, or just to try out whether if it's working. I think if it's like try out whether if it's working, you can just take a lower model just to test that everything flows lah. But if it's really just for result accuracy and stuff, then maybe you really need that model itself lah. Even for the Sea Lion 4, there are also different models as well. One is their top level model. Another one is also for there are some, how to say, there are some quantized models lah. Those are a bit smaller. Maybe you can just try those also.
Got it, got it.
Mm. I think just now you probably had a session with another mentor called Seok Min lah. So maybe you can look for her if you need more information in
Yeah.
this area lah. I mean,
Still got next week, right? Still got next week.
yeah, I mean I just point you to the right resource lah, so they can ask the questions to the right people. I think as much as what we can help you is more about probably more this bit lah. Yeah.
Hey, actually, after you guys process 1,000 cases, right? But then how many total Supreme Court cases are there? It's more than 1,000, yeah.
Yes, actually, in Indonesia, it's about a 20,000 case. But
Oh,
in this hackathon, I think the 1,000 is enough.
it's sufficient. No, okay, got it. Okay, maybe what I suggest is to scope it out, right? So for example, maybe you say you only process what family law or criminal law, right? Or you process within the courts of Jakarta or courts of Makassar, right? Or maybe you streamline to just the past 5 years of court cases. Right, because right now you have problems processing thousands, so there's no way you can reach 20,000, right? Yeah. So consider, and then cost is a concern for you guys as well. So you want to probably really scope out a very narrow scope lah, right? To ensure that the MVP is a success lah.
Okay. Minimizing the scope is very important. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thank you for the.
I think you say okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, I think.
Any
Yeah, I think that's enough. Session. Thank you for the advice.
no problem.
Good luck. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
We get next session. What's next session?
Oh no, next week lah.
Next week.
I thought that was the one.
No, sorry. Hi, to those who have completed your last mentor session, both mentor and participants, you feel free to drop. So thank you for your time today, and we'll see you for the next mentor session. Thank you.
I see. Thank
Thank
you.
Xiaomin.
Yes.
Hey, Xiaomin, wait,
Bye.
you are so good that we recommended another team to go and find you.
Stop it, guys. Bye bye.
Oh, really?